Hello everyone, this is Yash here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to verify your account on Pocket Option. Verification is very important because without it you will not be able to withdraw your funds from the platform securely. So let's start the video. Now before you start, make sure you have the following documents, either a passport or a national identity card, and one document that confirms your address proof like a utility bill or a bank statement. You can upload the documents through the Pocket Option website or via the mobile application. Go to your profile, click on verification, choose the document type and upload clear photos. Make sure that the full page is visible and the photos are not blurry. Usually, the verification process takes up to 1 to 3 business days, but sometimes it can be faster if your photos are very clear. To make the process faster, you can make sure that the photos you uploaded are of high quality and the data match your account details in Pocket Option. Once your account is verified, you will see a green mark in your account, and from this moment onwards, you can withdraw profits without any limits. My advice, complete the verification process as soon as possible so you can fully focus on trading. So this was all for today's video, and in the next video I will show you how to make your first deposit and how to place your first profitable trade. So subscribe to the channel and stay tuned. I will see you in the next one.